Assalamualaikum everybody and welcome to Podcast with Ammi. I have with me somebody whose name is like synonymous with education. So those of us who know her in Lahore have always known Kanta as Kanta Ubaid. Are you still Kanta Ubaid?
I'm very much Kanita Ubaid so far. Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah. So we've known her to be associated with education for, I don't know, more than 2 decades now. I know she doesn't look that old, but I think she began working probably like super young. So I thought it would be really interesting to talk to her about, education now becoming a viable career option for so many people, men and women, but also about what is right and what is wrong with our education system. Hi, Kanta.
Hi Aisha, always a pleasure talking to you and thank you so much for this delightful introduction. So I think education sector, as you speak, when I reflect back on my own journey, it's quite funny. Because back in the days, Aisha, if you remember, teaching used to be a very safe haven for girls also. If you're not getting
married, शादी नहीं हुई कर लो.
You just go, na? It's like
bachelor's के बाद बोर हो रहे हो, पढ़ा लो.
So auntie has opened this school, or maybe this.
Or a principal and she's like, beta, come and teach. Beta, come to do admin.
So
I think like 20 साल पहले तक कोई भी नहीं सोचता था, like जब हमसे like क्लास में भी पूछते थे आपने क्या बनना है, the intelligent kids would say doctor या engineer, lawyer, कोई teacher नहीं कहता था. I think definitely 2 decades ago when you joined education, मेरा नहीं ख्याल तब teaching was considered a career. It was considered like a stopgap.
No at all, Aisha. I so fully agree with you. So I'm talking about 2002. So when I joined, so I remember going to Anjum's Learning Alliance, of course, my first mentor, my first boss. So I remember taking my CV, she interviewed me and I was hired the next day. Again, why did I join? There was no ambition behind that. I wanted to later on join UCL, do my law degree and all. So in the meanwhile, while my best friends, they were both teaching in Lahore preschool back in the days.
I think your plan was to become a lawyer.
Yeah. So they called me, they said, one was getting married. So she said, let's spend most of the time together. So once I get married, you go, both of you can go back.
Really? So the plan was कि चलो party करते हैं.
Party करते हैं, we'll spend 1 month or 2 months. So I said, okay. So this is how I got introduced to the education sector. Lekin the moment I entered, Aisha, there's been no looking back because I think God made me for, earlier especially.
Really?
I just...
So when you joined Anjum Aunty, तब like preschool कितना बड़ा था या क्या कहानी थी?
इनका अब, if you remember, Hali Road wala, so preschool.
That's where it began from.
Yes. So this was my starting. Even still we have the same Ifat, Aisha.
Wow.
So they're still very much
अभी तक है.
Family.
The people you work with first.
Yeah. So this is how I started. I loved kids, and I think it dawned on me once I joined that I was literally obsessed with the kids.
Really?
I would go back home. I would talk about my kids. I would take the camera. I would take their pictures. I was like literally.
कोई smartphones like.
And then Anjum would insist that the kids have to, call you auntie. So, उस वक्त लगता था auntie, no, लेकिन ये था कि this is how my journey began. So I think.
And when you began, the preschool भी नया था.
I think so because I think उस वक्त तक almost 10 years maybe. I think 10 साल तो लोगों को हो गया बात है. So लेकिन this is how my journey started, but no ambition, nothing to plan. But then I found.
And you went into teaching ke admin?
I was an assistant teacher then. So I was attached with the senior teacher that, just learn the ropes, how we go about it. So basically everything I learned was like on job. So what is the circle time, how you pacify the kids, how you settle them in the, first timers coming in, their separation anxiety, how you deal with them, what is circle time, how, what is fine motor skills, how you develop them. So little nitty gritties of years. So the journey began. So when I left, almost after 15 years, I was the coordinator and ahead of me there was Ifat and Aisha, of course. So they were the principal and...
so you left as a coordinator?
Yeah.
So you grew with the school?
Oh yes, definitely.
So assistant teacher के बाद you became a teacher?
So again...
And तब भी क्या ये culture था कि teachers के लिए मतलब almost all the teachers there were just stopgap के शादी से पहले आ गई.
Aisha, उस ज़माने में, to be very honest, this is how things were. People.
So
were
your
getting
colleagues
married.
were also
Even
like.
after getting married, they were coming back.
But pregnant हो गई तो you resigned
Pregnant भी
earlier.
हमने वो भी even मैंने pregnancies भी सबकी देखी है माशाल्लाह. Some adults are getting married. One of my first batches, both of the kids have started getting married now at this age. So I'm talking about 2002. So वो लेकिन again coming back to your point. उस ज़माने में यही था कि आप even शादी के बाद it's more comfortable. So you were like, it's not a 9 to 5 job. You can bring your kid as well. So in Learning Alliance also they had created this very safe environment for the teachers as well. So कोई वहाँ पे कोई hard and fast rules नहीं. So they would accommodate you according to your credibility. What are you bringing to the table? So if you are that strong of a teacher, you're like. Interpersonal skills. Since I was such a complete introvert person, I would shy away from meeting new people or making new friends.
Really?
Yeah. So my mother would always freak out कि इसका क्या बनेगा. Even my family would.
You were introvert when you joined, but you're not an introvert now.
My brother says कि now look at people who've known me over the years, my friends from school. They now look at me and they're like. We don't know this person who.
Really? तब like when you joined your first job, तुम बिल्कुल नहीं बात करती.
आयशा मैं सलाम भी नहीं करती थी. मुझे not because I was snob or anything. It's just that
You
I
were
was
shy.
so awkward that I didn't want to take the initiative to or didn't want to be in the limelight. So but again वो आपके interpersonal skills, talking to the parents on daily basis, I mean satisfying them, then sitting in the meetings. I think a lot of credit I give to Anjum also because my mother was a very homely body, very वो जैसे housewives होती हैं, जो आपको आयतुल कुर्सी पढ़ के फूक के भेज रही है बच्चा, checking on you and Amma has to go everywhere with us.
Amma school भी जाती थी.
Amma तो हमारा bodyguard till she died.
Even when you were working, Amma was there.
Yeah, she would be sitting in the car no matter where you're going. So that would make my mother, वो. So then you meeting such a progressive woman like Anjum would tell you, why didn't you come? So I said, my driver was on leave. So said, what kind of reason is this? So why didn't you? Should have taken a rickshaw? क्यों नहीं आई तुम? Or would tell you, you should drink milk, it makes your bones, strong. And simple little things in life that should not be dependent on husbands only, you have a life, you should. So वो मेरे लिए बड़ी, there was a new environment after college. Yes, there are women who are empowered, who are earning, who are making a change. I think I give a lot of credit to. I think it's not given that much, or it's not been highlighted. We're always talking about the organizations, but be it Dr. Fazana Feroz, be it Mrs. Kasuri or Anjum or Mrs. Salamat, I think these women have created these huge empires where they empower
and
the
almost
women.
single-handedly, and most of them without funding, bootstrapped.
Without funding. So when I look at them, I say, okay, we are always praising, women abroad or looking up to other people, but these are women right in front of us.
And I think most of them had no formal education.
Not at all. I don't know, but अब जिन ज़ाहिर अंजुम से मिलती थी, she would tell us कि मैंने किस तरह startup किया, या आप डॉक्टर फजाना की बात सुनोगे. These are women now.
How did Anjum auntie start? कुछ याद है कहानी?
कुछ I mean of course she would be the better person to tell because all I recall is.
I think अपने घर से शुरू की या छोटी सी कोई
rent. I started with 8 people. कि ये गिन के लोग थे. She was in an administrative role and now look at her, mashallah, doing so well. And Dr. Fazana or Mrs. Of course the Beacon House and the City School families, they're like giants, huge. We're talking about not just South Asia. We're talking world over. We're like one of the biggest educational organizations. 150 schools. I mean, more than 10,000 employees.
Students, yeah.
6, 7. All I'm talking about is City School, where now I represent City School. So 1,000 plus employees. And somebody like me who started as an assistant teacher, looking up to people, कि अच्छा बात कैसे करते हैं, now sitting amongst people who are like PhDs, who are foreign qualified, who have worked with KHDA, who have worked with Ofsted, who have like so many degrees on paper that it's a learning journey which never ends. Ample opportunities. When I started, I thought maybe max क्या होता है आप principal बन जाते हो. So now where I'm working, so I always tell people I'm so grateful for these opportunities which came my side, because when I left, I just wanted simply growth and I wanted to learn more. So Aisha, where I'm working now is, there's so many other departments. There are so many other branches that I would like the young girls and young boys also to know that teaching itself, education itself has become so much diverse. It's beyond your typical traditional teaching settings. It's you can join, I mean, trainings. Then again, it's not teaching.
You can do curriculum development, you can do HR, operations,
HR.
supply chain. I feel even like fit outs, school fit outs.
Absolutely, consultancy. Now, guidance counselors हैं, आपके career counselors हैं, psychologists बैठते हैं, medical team आपकी वहाँ पे बैठी होती है. So there's so much diverse opportunities. Even as a headmistress, even as a senior mistress or senior masters in schools, there's so many good, I mean, pay scale also, depending on
But
what.
when you began, Kanta, तब क्या थी salary कुछ याद?
5,000.
5,000.
At that time, trust me,
बहुत ही
I saved for
5,000.
the entire year. My father said, "Kiss, you save it. So you don't." And I was like, okay. So लेकिन I
तो तुम्हारा 60,000 साल में बच जाता
वो
है.
salary में ना कुछ deductions भी हुई थी. So I still remember I got the first salary check was for 3,700 rupees.
ज़्यादा पैसे कट गए.
And I was like, मैं छुट्टी नहीं. I still, I mean, the kind of naive person I was back then, कि never wanted to check कि अच्छा क्या करता है ये वो होता है क्यों करता है. लेकिन whatever the reason, even then. It seemed like, okay, this is nice, you know.
तो कोई क्या करती थी अपनी salary?
Like, you know, the first year my father just asked me to save it, or then after a few years he said कि because but the होते थे पैसे, तो हम खर्च लेते थे. तो the one fine day he said, now you spend. तो सोचो वो कुछ दिनों में ही खर्च करता नहीं सर कि now you see कमाना you spend in a year, so you spend in a month's time. I was like, yeah, that's right. So little life lessons, along the
And उस वक्त was the culture in schools like casual? लेट भी आ जाओ,
I think
फोन पे भी लग जाओ. अब I feel
हाँ.
schools professional हो गए. What do you think?
Again, I think it still varies from person to person. So I'm a workaholic and I'm somebody who goes by the book. जैसे मेरे feedback में भी मुझे अभी भी tip from my bosses में लगता है over commitment, which I do not of course endorse.
You over commit and over deliver या सिर्फ over commit?
Manufacturing fault भी होती है, over deliverance भी हो जाती है ना कि बस this is what you're required to do. So लेकिन when I look at the girls today, मुझे लगता है कि उस वक्त हमारे में भी हमें अपने वो चीज़ों में काम पे जो कह देते थे ना तो हम बस लगता था कि बस करना है, और अगर एक से दूसरी दफ़ा कोई कह दे तो दैट्स लाइक एन इंसल्ट फॉर मी कि ना वो दूसरी दफ़ा कहे. लेकिन नाउ व्हेन आई सी कि आई थिंक it's not even gender based because of course we are dealing with the men also, young boys coming and joining also, लेकिन एक थोड़ा सा attitude वो entitlement पहले आ जाती है before the deliverance. Again maybe the generation I don't know, लेकिन what I've seen over the years is कि पहले डिमांड ज़्यादा है और फिर वो आपकी परफॉर्मेंस आती है. हमारे में होता था कि पहले अपने आप को प्रूव करना.
Yeah, अच्छा अब you feel कि untrained girls walk in and they're like 150 starting, provident fund, cars.
Because in my current
And then they want to perform.
So
and
then-
अक्सर I feel जब इतनी demands होती हैं then you end up also not performing because maybe I don't know, like I'm also wary of people who put so many demands up front. I'm a big believer in yes, negotiate your salary, be the best. Like I always feel that a better negotiation strategy is to say, give me a performance based increment. Like whenever I've spoken to, like whenever I work for somebody, I tell them ठीक है starting salary आपकी मर्जी की, probation के बाद I know I'll be able to prove myself, hence I want this.
Yeah.
And I feel that's just a better bargaining tool. But when I'm hiring also, the two things that surprise me, one is the unreasonable demands, because sometimes like the role is quite basic. And a lot of these roles, AI has now replaced half of it. So when like for example, content writing has really become ChatGPT को prompts देना. उसके लिए if you want to charge a price that doesn't make sense. And then one of your first issues are के work-life balance is really important. मैं इतने बजे उठ जाऊंगी ये वो, which is also so mundane. अब आजकल it's all performance. Who cares कि आपने कितने बजे उठना है, कितने बजे या lunch break कितनी लंबी है? Who asks these questions?
I so agree with you.
Like the work culture, I feel still has to be respected. आप जितने भी Gen Z and Gen X हो जाएं, like you can't. I mean, I think we've taken the worst of Gen Z, Gen X, because the actual millennial and Gen Z is a workaholic, entrepreneur, self-starter. हमारे जो है, they're like lunch breaks, coffee breaks, ये वो meditation breaks. करते करते I'm like काम मुझे बता दे कब होना है, इतनी breaks. मतलब literally somebody asked me if we offer meditation breaks. I was like, sure. I was like, take them. I was like, what we're bothered about is your performance. मेरी तरफ से take like meditation breaks, yoga breaks, lunch, smoothie, coffee सारी ले ले. Perform जरा कर ले.
So यही होता है. So वो again, I think it's मैं तो जो over the period of time, this is what I've observed. I've been interviewing so many people for so many different jobs. So मुझे I want you to be smart. Of course, I think this is very very important. I think जो चीजें हमें नहीं सीखी थी, वो उन्होंने सीखी and they are better at it. So
better negotiators.
Yeah. And
better at voicing their demands.
And I'm all for it. लेकिन मुझे सिर्फ ये होता है कि after a certain period of time, then you have to like जो भी आपकी probation है, deliver. And then of course, then the sky is the limit. Especially if you're competent and if you have those skill sets, so then I mean there's no harm in it. But yes, anywhere you have, I mean, as I'm telling you, assistant teacher, then teacher, then the coordinator, then the headship of a branch, then I mean moving on to the evaluation department where I had to look for like 43 schools across Punjab. Even NR, I went to Islamabad on special projects. So 40, I mean, so much different people I have, which I fondly recall and say now I have so many little families in everywhere, from Burewala to Khanewal to Sahiwal. So all I'm saying is, again, एक जो सबसे interesting aspect था ना, Aisha, thanks to the city school, work platform, कि लाहौर में रहते ना हमें लगता है कि पूरा पाकिस्तान और दुनिया यही है.
Yeah. हमें लगता है पंजाब is लाहौर.
So when you move out, I used to remember कि people would tell me कि अच्छा तुम जो है ना ये pants वगैरह ना लेके आ जाना या तुम travel करने लगी हो अब ये हो जाएगा. Trust me, I mean I always get along with people who are outstation because they are more receptive, they are more proactive, they would listen to you more, they want to improve more. Even male, female, both the school heads, the teaching faculty, I mean they improvise, they deliver, they are so hardworking. And plus the kind of infrastructure they have now, the facilities they have, when we talk about Bahawalpur, even Multan, even I went to Rahim Yar Khan, though वो सब areas में वो development नज़र नहीं आएगी, but I think पाकिस्तान बहुत कुछ है offer करने के लिए और हमारी जो limitations होती हैं, so वो इस जैसे education sector में मैं कह रही हूँ, we have so many people who are Lahore based, लेकिन अब they're working for our other branches, who are getting good packages.
वो रोज जाते हैं अंदर कि they move
not
there.
necessarily, उनको accommodation मिलती है.
अच्छा they move there. So लाहौर के लोग move to
salaries ऐसी होती
और
हैं
सियालकोट और housing, yeah.
So that's what I'm saying कि not necessarily we think कि अच्छा यही है. When I joined the SICA department, which is our quality assurance, so there was too much of extensive traveling. So Monday, Friday, I will be traveling. I will be out of Lahore. So not many women will opt for it, but it was a very good learning experience for me because उसमें हमारे हर चीज़ evaluate करते हैं, where leadership, from finances to how the academics, achievement, everything comes under that umbrella. So वो आपकी learning बड़ी हो जाती है. Then I understood कि there is so much more to education than just being a teacher. Again मुझे teachers के साथ मुझे ज़रूर होता है कि हम teachers को हमने बना लिया हुआ एक environment कि teaching जो है ना बस. मुझे लगता है कि being in education still मेरे लिए top priority having good teaching faculty.
Yeah, I agree.
उससे above and
उससे
beyond.
Yeah, I agree. Campus पे भी आप compromise कर लो, but how can you compromise
on
those who are going to be basically teaching the kids? I agree.
So मुझे अब यही लगता है कि अगर हम teachers के लिए जैसे मैं अपनी within my organization and on every forum I cannot advocate this more कि teaching pay scales अगर हम कर देना especially in schools, so maybe this might have a good impact जहाँ पे शायद हम tuitions को भी curtail कर सकें, हम teaching को भी ज़्यादा बेहतर कर सकें. Teacher should feel the star of the show also. Okay, I'm the front runner, I'm the foot soldier. So the credit monetary wise I think should be given to those who actually put in the most effort. So you can be a great school head, you can be a great principal, until the teaching isn't going well, again in every class you cannot come with the required expectations.
लेकिन कांता, what was it that prompted you कि अच्छा मैं lawyer नहीं बनती, मैं स्कूल में ही रहती हूँ, क्या था?
Aisha, again,
because salary तो तब 3,700 थी. Couldn't have been the salary.
और मैं वही कही ना कि मैं अभी भी.
And I'm sure तब कोई privileges भी नहीं मिलते थे, गाड़ी ड्राइवर, रिक्शे के पैसे मिल जाते थे.
भी नहीं, वो तो मतलब बेचारे आ रहे हो, कुछ भी नहीं, मतलब वो तो जाहिर है ज़माना ही वही वो उस वक्त था. So I'm not even complaining about that because this is what the, you know.
Lekin why didn't you go to UCL and become a lawyer? Why did you stick around?
I again coming back to your point, एक जो मेरा early years वाला experience रहा ना, because currently again with the restructuring and all, I might be heading the CR Central Punjab for early years in city school. So early years की ना एक बड़ी आपका you need to have lot of patience. You have to have जैसे O levels, A levels, आपके primary, secondary, high schools, वहाँ टीचर और है जहाँ वो एक स्टूडेंट लेड क्लास की बजाय इवन टीचर लेड में भी यू कैन यू नो गो विद दैट. Early years is something which has become very very important over the years, जहाँ पे आपके foundation years होते हैं, especially since we have so much competition in early years now, because जाहिर है कि अगर if now you have broken that kind of market niche जहाँ आपके पास ये आ गए हैं, तो then you want to retain them. And how would you retain them? Because early years में आपका experience इतना अच्छा है, you would want to try the second phase of it. Then coming back to teaching in early years, it's not cup of tea for everyone. छोटे बच्चों के जैसे you know my older sister Tabinda, so she point blank says I cannot. उसमें तो बच्चे भी सिर्फ घर वाले अच्छे लगते हैं, वो भी to a certain point, then she's like okay. So teaching जो थी ना, then I learned कि वो हर की ना वो आपकी शक्ल में भी आ जाता है, because you are a substitute for Ayabaji. Mother, nurse,
Khala.
It's amalgamation of all those roles. And then the learning has to happen as well. There are certain benchmarks, there are certain criteria you have to meet. Along with that, where up initially एक separation anxiety, you're pacifying the mother as well, because एक parental body भी involved है, you know, first time school buying की हुई, you know, bag buying एक recce की हुई है, this is the certain expectation also. So उन सब चीज़ों को लेके एक teacher ने who might be a fresh graduate has to deal with all this expectation. So वो चीज़ जब मुझे नजर, plus मेरा जो बच्चों का साथ bond था ना, that's inborn, you cannot fake it. That's what I believe, because earlier की demand ही और है. So वो जब मुझे लगता था कि मेरा तो obsession, as I told you, I knew it कि this is what I'm made for. This is my like tailor-made job for me. So I never wanted to. I mean, even after leaving Learning Alliance, I knew कि early years ही मैं आगे जाऊँगी. Again, of course, over the period of time, then certain opportunities came out. Certain people wanted me to try this thing or that thing. I also wanted to branch out. लेकिन early years का जो मुझे लगता है अभी भी कि you need to have certain aptitude for it, और वो आपके बच्चों की मुझे लगता है make or break वाली जो situation होती है ना, confidence, one harsh word, one hard touch, where the child cannot even express. So that's a huge responsibility on your shoulders. The child, you know, parents have let them, so they will be crying. You might be in a class situation where there are like 24, 30 kids, and there's no help around. They might be, you know, on top of their lungs, they're crying for no reason. You do not even know yourself.
Also, the challenges are very different.
And actually, at the same age, you have to identify the early interventions. Like, आपको पता है जितनी हमारे borderline autistic cases निकल आते हैं, ये कोई इनकी certain कोई हमारे ऐसा अगर आप trained teacher नहीं हो, हम देखते हैं. So with the time, I would see कि बच्चा, you know, आप कहते हैं auditory इनकी सही आप है, vision सही है. So while doing so much, you observe them as well. So आप देख रहे होते हो कि अच्छा इसको नज़र सही आ रहा है, या अगर बार बार रिपीटेडली देख रहा है, आंखों को लू कर रहा है, या बैठा सही नहीं है, या राइटिंग के उसके you know after a certain age, after 4, the speech if it isn't developed, the vision isn't developed, then you need to, I mean, take the parents in the loop. You of course sugar-coatedly, nobody wants to be labeled. You have to handle them pretty, you know, trickily. Then you have to advise them कि kindly, you know, can you consult? Because these are the things. So these are little observations the teacher has to, you know, make on daily basis. Ab how many will have like those proper trainings or have those instincts or want to learn and want to deliver. So मुझे ये लगता है कि earlier was, you know, so this is why I then stuck on. I wanted to research, I wanted to learn more. हालांकि वो on job ही था, but I think I got very good teachers to learn from. Coming
so
from
that learning part kept you motivated.
Never, that kept me motivated. Then I was like, this is I want.
And then you felt कि ये career बन सकता है.
Yes.
Achha, and then you also got married. But tab, was there any like thought that you leave this job?
Asha, I left for almost 2 to 3 years. Natalia was, I think, 1 just one when I joined back.
So what
Again.
was it? Because one,
मुझे
तो वो
लगता
इतनी
है
छोटी थी and उस ज़माने में the idea of the working mother was still
still
riddled with
still
guilt.
taboo. There was a lot happening. I remember कि मुझे जो ना mother guilt भी जो आपको हो रहा वो pangs होते थे. I would sleep really late. I would put her on, मुझे लगता था इसको देर से सुलाती हूँ, so she'll keep on sleeping. और मैं working hours भी कम होते थे. Workload बहुत कम होता था. Then I mean
You'd be home at like what time?
I think max 2:30 उस ज़माने में हम वापस भी आ जाते थे. और मुझे ये था कि हाउस हेल्प होती थी. I was living then with my in-laws as well. My mother-in-law would be around. House help भी होती थी. But आप लड़कियाँ भी.
And did you have support from your husband?
Yes. I think कभी हम मुझे लगता है working जो है ना कई दफ़ा हम credit जैसे मेरा travel बहुत है. So Ved's been really, really accommodating that way. I never had to worry about because he's doing his own business, so he had flexible hours. So if a kid has fallen sick and I'm not even in the city, so I would call Ved, so everything is taken care of. So वो मुझे लगता है कि एक house support system अगर हमारा उतना अच्छा ना हो, and unfortunately ज़ाहिर है सबका इतना अच्छा strong नहीं होता, because I feel for those ladies as well coming back, with those baggages. And then delivering, meeting our expectations as well.
Yeah, that's hard.
So it's hard.
It's hard. It's quite a battle. Lekin Kanta, was it hard, like managing kids while working full time? Because I think slowly you moved to. Did you ever feel like guilty?
Even now, my siblings and my husband think कि मेरा वो जो guilt है ना, it makes me not a very good mother also because I give in very easily. और मुझे लगता है वो guilt pangs ही होते हैं कि अच्छा. Even I never was able to join gym, Aisha, for that matter.
अभी तक नहीं किया.
I would say it's 6:30 now, so I'll leave them again for an hour or two and I'll come back. So I would say leave it. So लेकिन ये है कि कई दफ़ा मुझे ये लगता है कि वो आपकी जो है ना work stress, frustrations भी जब आप वापस आते हो, so बच्चों पे कहीं ना कहीं वो चीज़ ज़रूर होती है. लेकिन I would say कि I still stress more on quality time than the quantity of it. So I would keep tabs on them. I still used to be there whenever needed. I still haven't missed out any PTMs. चाहे वो मेरे ऑफिस से ही निकल के मुझे जाना पड़ा है, वो I would never leave it to bed because
so you had like your own rules.
Yeah.
But what about homeworks? अभी तक खुद कराती हो?
I think my daughter through and through has been very easy child. I think daughters are that way. But when Xavier, as we speak, he's 14 now, mashallah se. Now I'm having a different situation because वो थोड़े से they're less to the boys where they don't want to do the homework or they would अगर कोई टेस्ट में नंबर्स कम आए तो हो सकता है मामा को ना बताना. So वो I'm dealing with that and still learning as a mother on those things because हम counseling लोगों की कर रहे होते हैं लेकिन जब as a mother so then the real mother comes out. So उसके साथ I'm still trying to learn the ropes. लेकिन ये कि it was with Natalia it was much easier. लेकिन homework वगैरह exams में I would stay up till 11-12 at night. I would come from office. I'll say आजो let's because वो जब तक मैं खुद नहीं देखूंगी मैं खुद नहीं उसको करूंगी.
And there always have to be non-negotiables. That whether you're a working mom, whether there are meetings, like there have to be some things that you don't negotiate on. The very famous CEO of Pepsi said, okay, you cannot be everything. Do you believe that you can be a good homemaker and a wife and a mom and a woman, or a working woman, or do you feel something always gives?
Aisha, I think it again varies from person to person. If you asking me, I would say I never had any ideas or any benchmark that I have to be certified. I don't believe in validations anymore. I just feel like if this time work has to be priority, it needs more my attention, I'll do it. And if I feel now I have to draw a line, now my kids need me more, so I'll do that. Especially of course वही Pepsi को वाली कि वो husbands बेचारे हमेशा वो third पे होते, he always says that and he's accepted that. And
he should just be happy he's on the list.
Yeah, so yes. So he's aware, is very much secure in his own skin, so I'm okay with that. But yes, मुझे ये लगता है कि कई दफ़ा जो workaholic जैसे मैं हूँ, I admit that, कि if I'll be coming home तो I will be on the phone even before sleeping. There's something going on in my mind. कि tomorrow first thing in the morning.
So you don't stop picking up work calls at home.
So no, because with as you progress on it, I think we have asked for it. Otherwise वो फिर आप working hours limited है, you are happy with that. Like with our positions, like I see you with mashallah say 5 kids and then your hands-on mother, you're looking into each other. I think again it's sometimes जैसे अब मुझे पता है कि जब मेरी vacations आती हैं, so वो जो 40 days है 30 days है, I वो होता है कि recharge your batteries now.
तब you
Then
don't
there's
pick
a
up the
total disconnect.
But on a daily basis, do you pick up the phone after working hours, like daily?
I'm guilty of
Why?
that. Why I'm guilty of that? Because just
Because if you feel if you don't, then your performance.
yes, even not that, because हमारे roles हैं अब supporting roles में. जैसे I was talking about the network partner you were asking. Now there are like multiple schools under me. Things go beyond that. वहाँ पे अब if you'll ask me, starting my journey from an assistant teacher to now what I was doing quite recently, you'll be shocked. So I was dealing with the landlords as well. So there's a lease also. There's flooding अभी हुई है. So हमारे schools में पानी आ गया हुआ है. वो अब उनका हमने क्या करना है, ड्रेनेज कैसे, रात को हमें पता चल रहा है गवर्नमेंट की नोटिफिकेशन से सुबह स्कूल खोलने के नहीं खोलने. सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट मी, इट्स द होल मैकेनिज्म, इट्स द होल सिस्टम व्हिच इज
So you can't really choose to.
So I have to,
pick up.
again, I will be bothering somebody else also at that hour. So if I'm being bothered, I have to, वो एक cycle है, vicious cycle I would say. So हम करना भी चाहें, it's just the work cannot stop. So हमारे पे लोग इतने डिपेंडेंट होते हैं, वो मेरा नोटिफिकेशन जाएगा, मैं येस कहूँगी तो वो आगे स्कूल्स भेजेंगे, स्कूल्स भेजेंगे तो वो पेरेंट्स को जाएगा. So this is how we work. So I think in each profession, not necessarily.
So I think once you go up, like you don't really have the choice of not picking up the phone,
Yeah.
because then so many people are affected.
Yeah.
When you're a teacher, तो हम ना उठाओ phone, big deal. कल बता देना.
वही मैं कहती हूँ, टीचर्स के साथ कुछ पर्क्स भी थे. समर वेकेशंस भी हमें 3 महीने की मिल जाती थी. अब अगेन आई एम सेइंग इट्स नॉट, जैसे आई क्वाइट रिसेंटली आई हैड दिस लाइक स्प्रेन थिंग. अब मुझे वो MRI भी कराया, कुछ नहीं, द डॉक्टर सेड नथिंग, इट्स जस्ट स्ट्रेस बिकॉज आपका पोस्चर होगा, यू विल बी लुकिंग एट द लैपटॉप. सो मोस्टली ऑफिस वर्कर्स कम फॉर दिस एंड ऑल. सो इट्स लाइक स्ट्रेस. सो आई वाज लाफिंग एट दैट. आई सेड नॉट नेसेसरली every stress is bad. There's some good stress also, because I enjoy working. I'm very passionate about what I do. So it's not just the paise
Yeah.
or salary. It's just, I think I'm one of the very few fortunate people who got into the business, which actually excites me.
Yeah.
Which is the driving force. It comes with the, its pros and cons. They're always.
And I think you can only excel if you're excited.
Yes,
about the work.
I agree with
I
you.
think otherwise you'd be very mediocre. So Kanta, now if your daughter comes to you and she's like, "Meri teacher banna hai," what would you say?
I think the kids have become very smart. Even I think yesterday Natalia was discussing with me that one of her friends was saying, I'll do masters maybe in economics, because they're looking at their teachers as well. They are the ones who come and tell us कि आपको पता है academy में कितने बच्चे हैं and how much our sir is charging.
So, but isn't it also sad that education has become a business? So like for example, high school teachers in the US don't become high school teachers to make money, because उधर कोई tuition culture, visiting, hopping from schools नहीं है. They become high school teachers because they want to change. But I feel in Pakistan it's great that it's becoming a profession. Great that now we can pay teachers more and so सब कुछ great है. लेकिन it's literally like I heard this also. कि mama, imagine like doctors, which is a profession that we consider it to be a service, don't make anywhere close to what a bio teacher, जिसके many less years of education and less skill हैं, makes from like 2 schools. And
You're absolutely right. I agree with you. मुझे ये
so
होता
how
है
do
कि-
you feel being part of a
it sometimes
industry that's
actually
become-
bothers me, because if you are educationist, you cannot, even if you're a teacher, you cannot ever kill that in you, because if you in any role, whenever I go, there's always a teacher inside me. So मुझे ये लगता है, जैसे मैं हमेशा I know कि वो आपकी एक spiritual, अगर आपके अंदर वो चीज़ है, मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ it comes with a lot of responsibility
Yeah.
with teaching. वो कहते हैं ना पैगंबरों का पेशा था.
yeah.
So
They also say the mother is the madrasa.
और मुझे आयशा ये लगता है कि वो, मैं हमेशा अपनी यंगर लॉट को तो मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि इट्स योर ऑनेस्टी टुवर्ड्स योर जॉब. आई वर्कड, आई वाज रिवॉर्डेड फॉर दैट आल्सो. I was delivering it. It was supposed to be on daily basis. It was every day counts. So आपने अपनी उसको justify करने, आपने अपना रिस्क हलाल करना. So वो हम किसी को ड्रिल नहीं कर सकते. वो मैं और आप कितने लेक्चर्स दे दें, हम कितनी मोटिवेशनल स्पीचेस आप दे लो,
it
has to come from within. अपनी अकाउंटेबिलिटी आप खुद करो, especially in these times when inflation is so high. Especially looking at the middle class, lower middle class, जहाँ पे the parents will compromise on anything but their education. पता नहीं कैसे वो देते होंगे एक बच्चे के, 2 बच्चे. It always bothers me. मुझे लगता है कि जब आप क्लासरूम में आ गए हो ना, make sure कि वो हर बच्चा जो बैक बेंचर है, जो स्लो लर्नर है, हर बच्चे की आपने वो एक बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. और अगेन एज आई एम सेइंग ऑल वी कैन इज कि दिस इज अ सर्टन एक्सपेक्टेशन विच कम्स विद द टेरिटरी, बट इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग दैट एंड यू आर ओनली फोकस्ड ऑन मनी मेकिंग, then each to his
Yeah.
own. Then you're accountable for that. I think being a teacher, it comes with lot of responsibility and accountability. और ये बड़ा dignified एक role है. लेकिन अगर आप खुद करोगे ना, आजकल मार्केट में भी है. अब हम अगर हम इन काउंटर उसमें लेकर आते हैं, मुझे पता है कि आप बाकी स्कूल्स में क्या ले रहे हो या क्या कर रहे हो. लेकिन ये अब आपके ऊपर है कि जब आप क्लासरूम्स में जा रहे हो. और आज एक और कल्चर भी बन गया है ना, टीचर्स, हमारे ज़माने में टीचर्स का एक वो होता था. अब teachers are taking the kids for
coffees and trips.
Mother and me never. मुझे लगता है कि वो ठीक है.
मुझे भी लगता है कि एक distance रहना.
मुझे लगता है कि वो बहुत.
And एक deference रहना.
मुझे लगता है भाई marketing, unfortunately.
It is.
I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but मुझे somewhere down the line I feel like it's a marketing gimmick.
I agree.
Because somebody who's at C or D or U, उनके ना पेरेंट क्वेश्चन ना बच्चा, so how can I get that child? So it's by फलाना sir is very good because वो दोस्ती हो गई है. So वो कल्चर कहीं मुझे लगता है कि we as a parent or even educational organizations can discourage. If you know them personally, good for you. But मुझे लगता है वो hanging out वाला जो.
I agree.
Yeah.
So Kanta, last question now, like when you look back at your career and you must have had a really long and it's still going on and productive and successful career, like monetarily and otherwise, what are like the 3 pieces of advice you would give to somebody who's like starting out at 3,700 की salary?
बस इस पे अभी भी मैं मुझे जो है ना, मुझे I still do not know how to pick those topics up. अच्छा जी, अगर if I look back ना, मुझे लगता है कि टीचिंग को again as we speak, जब आप आते हो ना, उसको बड़ी सीरियस माइंडेड से उसके साथ आओ. बिकॉज अब टीचिंग बाय द वे इवन इन आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन देयर इज अ इंग्लिश स्पोकन स्किल्स, वो आपका टेस्ट है, then some written test, so you're not coming in like as I went and Anjum was generous enough to hire me. There's a certain prerequisites which you have to fulfill. So once you're in there, then as we spoke earlier, deliver first. Pehle try to learn. Each organization is different, by the way. If you're going to Learning Alliance, unki expectations different. If you're coming to city school, certain expectations. So jab aap pehle try to learn. मैंने टीचर से सीखा है सिस्टम में. इफ यू आस्क मी, आई लर्नड फ्रॉम द टीचर्स फ्रॉम. और एक हमारी होती है कि इफ यू आर न्यू टू द सिस्टम, देयर माइट बी रेजिस्टेंस, सो अब्सॉर्ब इट एंड डील विद इट. ट्राई टू. कई दफ़ा क्या होता है उस रेजिस्टेंस पे ना, you're like psychologically damaged and you feel like I'm worthless or maybe I actually cannot, or maybe you know एक थोड़ी सी bullying वाला element भी आ रहा था, maybe they just want to you to leave. Don't give up. Don't give up.
I agree. Stick it out.
Stick it out. Absorb, move on. Third आपका ये है, if you are giving your 100%, sooner or later
reward मिलेगा.
That's a done deal.
I agree.
I give it to you. I've seen it in my lifetime.
But maybe immediately not immediately. But मिलेगा.
कई दफ़ा there have been instances, Aisha, I would take my resignation in my bag. I would say, today I'll resign. My husband would say, I'm outside, you just come out. And I'd say, no, man.
3, 2, 1.
So, as I was saying that if you're giving your 100%, and again, I cannot stress more that on daily basis, it's a journey. So every day, each day, it counts. So again, Allah will always reward you in the end. I give you my example. There were days, it's not always hunky-dory. I would take my resignation that today I'm going to resign. But again, I resisted. And as I say...
And rewarded.
Definitely. So all I'll say is have patience, hang in there. और इवन पैसे भी वो आई वुड नॉट स्ट्रेस मोर के टीचिंग और इसमें यस देयर आर लिमिटेशंस, बट आपकी एक मार्केट में एक आपका अच्छा नाम हो जाता है. देयर लाइक आप वर्किंग आवर्स, विजिटिंग फैकल्टी होती है, इवन अर्ली एज टीचर्स. आई मीन स्पेशली लाहौर में तो आई थिंक सैलरी इन कंपैरिजन टू माय टाइम, आई थिंक इट हैज इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट.
Yeah, I agree with you. I think playing the long game works.
Yeah.
Also, I believe that egos nahi hone chahiye at the workplace. Because I feel when it's collaboration over competition, it's a big issue.
Aisha, इतना अच्छा point you have. I mean, I so agree with that. मुझे लगता है कि even these are the I mean chosen family जो आप अब रोज जा रहे हो, whether you like the other person or you don't like, you have to see them.
Yeah,
ठीक है. और मैं बार-बार कहती हूँ, even I remember in one of my schools, I had this teacher who had some terrible behavior issues. Everyone would complain. But the only issue was that she was a brilliant teacher. She was an excellent teacher. So मुझे सबको मैंने कहा I do not know her, you do not know her, we don't have to be the best of friends. Once she leaves the school, I don't know her. That doesn't count. As long as she's delivering in the classrooms, I'm okay with that. So मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि वो आपकी family में भी हो जाती है with your siblings. You fight with your husbands. हम उनके साथ तो रह ही रहे होते. So it's okay. You don't have to be best friends with everyone.
Yeah.
Again, do not bring your ego in it. और हमेशा have patience and listen also. Not all the time you can be correct. I have learned so much over the period of time. As I told you, somebody who was like literally mute cannot
now.
shut up now, honestly. You ask me and I'll start talking. So
Which is amazing. Wow, that's
Yeah.
great. Kanta, thank you so much for coming, and I hope that everybody who's watching is inspired and motivated to think about like education as not just a stopgap measure anymore, but a profession. And I feel also like for entrepreneurs, education is such a great space. But just be mindful that it is a service industry, and you're in service to children, not really there to fleece them. But thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Looking forward to your comments, your likes, your subscriptions. Hafiz.
Hafiz.